Can I take a rain check?
I'd love to, but I think I'll have to take a rain check.
What does this even mean? In English, when someone says, "Can I take a rain check?" it's an idiom that means they can't accept an invitation, but they would like to at a later time. For example, if someone asks you out for dinner, but you have to work, you could say, "Can I take a rain check? I have to work."
So about dinner, can I take a rain check?
This means that you would like to go to dinner with them, but at another time. Hope this helps. Don't always say thank you in English. It's not wrong, but there are so many other ways that you can say it, like, "I appreciate it."
Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
It means the world to me.
It means the world to me.
I owe you one.
Thank you, Julian. I owe you one.
I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough.
Aw, you shouldn't have.
Patty.
You shouldn't have.
That's so kind of you.
It's so kind of you.
Or, in British English, cheers.
Hey, good traders, mate. Cheers,
In
mate.
English, what do you say when you want someone to take your picture? Can you take me a picture? Wrong. Instead, what you should say is, "Can you take a picture of me?"
Can you take a picture of me?
Or you can say, "Can you take a picture for me?"
Can you take a picture for us for my scrapbook?
You can also say, "Can you take my picture?"
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that dime. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Now I run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big.
Can you name these weather emojis? What's this one? Sunny. And this one? Cloudy. How about this one? Rainy. And this one? Stormy. This one? Windy. And this one? Snowy.